Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So I am assuming that your preparation is on the full flow. All the very best for the coming days. It is the most crucial period for you guys. Please invest most of the time on the strategy building part right now. It's the most important part of your strategy. Just in case if you find it difficult to do so with your alone, we are always there for you. We have recently launched our crash course, so just in case if you would want to join, you can join by visiting our website or you can text me at this number to get any clarification or information. Okay, so let's see what today's set is all about. A very good set on conditional DI. Optimal time to do the set should be around 8 to 9 minutes. Okay, let's see what the set is all about. A management consulting firm hired 400 students from the top 25 business schools around the world as management trainees. The firm had offices in the cities of Berlin, Dhaka, Colombo, New York and New Delhi. So पांच सॉरी 25 कॉलेजेस से बच्चे आए हैं 400 बच्चे एंड इन 5 कॉलेजेस में गए और 5 जगह पे गए हैं सॉरी 5 बेस लोकेशन. The base location of each of the hired student was one of the 5 cities. Okay. After completing 1 year, all the management trainees tried to change their base location, but not all were able to change their base location. तो लगभग सारे लोगों ने ट्राई किया कि हम अपनी बेस लोकेशन को चेंज करते हैं, किसी बढ़िया जगह जाते हैं, लेकिन सारे सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुए. The priority for opting a base location is New York, Berlin, New Delhi, Colombo and Dhaka. तो सबसे पहले जो बंदे की प्रायोरिटी होगी वो न्यूयॉर्क होगी. सो इफ द पर्सन इज इन लेट्स से न्यू दिल्ली, उसकी पहली प्रायोरिटी है न्यूयॉर्क, सेकंड प्रायोरिटी है बर्लिन. न्यू दिल्ली में तो वो है ही है, सो ही विल नॉट go to Dhaka or Colombo. He will either stay in New Delhi only or will move to New York or Berlin in this order. Okay. Similarly, performance rating दी जाती है. Performance rating is given from 1 to 5, where 5 is being the best. The management trainee with higher performance rating will get higher base location mentioned in the priority order. तो जितना better होगा आपका मतलब जितना आपका performance ranking better होगा उतना आपको better post मिलेगी. If there are two management trainees with PR 5 and 4 respectively, and there is only one place vacant at the location New York and Berlin, then the management trainee with PR 5 will get New York as the base location. Okay, okay. Obviously, the person with the better rank will be given the higher priority to move to the better location. This is what they are telling us. Then the bar graph shows the number of the management training in the 5 locations. Okay, ठीक है. तो अपने पास जो बार ग्राफ है वो बताता है कि फर्स्ट ईयर में और सेकंड ईयर में कितने लोग थे. 80 इन फर्स्ट, 95 इन सेकंड, 120 इन फर्स्ट, 125 इन सेकंड. ये हमें दिया हुआ है अपने को, राइट. ओके. So just to make it visually appealing and to understand in a better way, let me just let me just tabulate it, right, so that I can see the questions and answer. Moreover, 65% is 260, 60, and 80. So 80 people have the ranking of 3, 60 people have the ranking of 4 and 5, and 260 people have the ranking of 1 and 2. Okay. So I have tabulated everything here just to make my life easy. First question says, what is the maximum number of management trainees who could have changed their base location? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितने लोगों ने अपनी base location change की हुई हो सकती है? Now, when I talk about the maximum number of people who can change their base location, see, from Dhaka, some people can go to New York or to Berlin or to New Delhi or to Colombo, right? Let's understand let's understand an easy logic, right? Let's say there are 5 stations A, B, C, D, E, 5 bus stoppages. At every station you have to change the bus. हर stoppage पे आपको bus change करनी है. If you go from directly A to E, so can I say there is only one bus? If you go like A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, there are 4 bus changes, right? A to C, C to E, there are 2 bus changes. So there are 2 buses required, which means if I'm creating a ripple effect means if I am sending these people to this area first, then this area, then this area, then this area, then there will be more number of transfers. And if I am sending them directly to this location, then there will be lower number of transfers, right? जो है 25 लोग हैं. Let's see a very easy example in order to clarify. यहाँ 100 लोग हैं अपने पास, यहाँ 75 लोग हैं अपने पास. यानी can I say these 25 people have left, and these 25 people could have gone to any place, right? Could have gone to any place. Now let us assume that these 25 people who left from here, they instead of going to New York, they went to Colombo. वो न्यूयॉर्क जाने की बजाय कोलंबो गए, उनकी रेटिंग इस तरह से थी कि उनको कोलंबो मिला। तो कैन आई से कोलंबो में कितने लोग हो जाएंगे? 125, देयर विल बी 125 पीपल इन कोलंबो एंड देन द पीपल लिविंग कोलंबो इज 50. Minimum it was 25, now it is 50. Why is that happened? Because of the ripple effect. So this is the very small point which will help me long way in this question, right? So let's see what for the first question is, what is the maximum number of management trainees who have changed their base location? So what I will do, I will try to create a ripple that maximum people will go one by one, they will climb the ladder. So 25 people left from here and 25 people joined here, right? Which means this become 125, and left over were 75, which means 50 people left over here, then 50 people went here. So 120 plus 50, 170, 170 to 125, 45. So यहाँ पे आए 45 लोग अपने पास, these 45 went here, 80 plus 45, 125. From 125 only 95 are left, so 30 must have gone here. ठीक है, so this is 30, so 70 plus 30 is 100, right? ये आ गया मेरे पास. 45 and 30, 75 and 50, 150 is the maximum number of people who could have migrated. तो 150 लोगों ने migrate किया है, पक्का ही पक्का, ठीक है? Maximum से maximum, not पक्का पक्का, maximum से maximum 150, right? Now the second question says, it is given that 60% of the management trainees at Dhaka who changed their base location got PR rating as 5 in the first year. अब जो ढाका से 25 लोग गए हैं, राइट, फ्रॉम ढाका 25 पीपल हैव लेफ्ट एंड 60% माने 15, सो 15 पीपल हैव गॉट द पीआर रेटिंग ऑफ 5. अब अगर 15 लोगों को पीआर रेटिंग 5 मिली, व्हिच मींस दैट देयर फर्स्ट लोकेशन, देयर फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस मस्ट बी न्यूयॉर्क. वो तो अपनी बेस्ट लोकेशन पे जाएंगे ना, न्यूयॉर्क इज द टॉप प्रायोरिटी लोकेशन. सो आउट ऑफ द 25 पीपल 15 वेंट टू न्यूयॉर्क, राइट? Okay, so 15 have went to New York. Only 10 people are left, which can be sent to Berlin, New Delhi, or Colombo. Also, ex-management trainees at Colombo changed their base location. तो Colombo से ex लोगों ने base location change करी. What is the maximum possible value of x? अब इस x को maximize करना है मैंने, right? Now in Colombo there are अभी ये देखो, if I can see there are 25 people living अभी के लिए, but the 10 people who were left in Dhaka, ठीक है, 25 थे, 15 चले गए न्यूयॉर्क. द 10 people who were left in Dhaka, if I send them to Colombo first, again creating a ripple, then there will be total of 110 people here. In this case, number of people living this location is 35, which means this is the maximum possible area or the region, because from the Colombo there are only two type of people who are shifting, who are already in Colombo or who came from Dhaka, right? So the answer to this question is 35. What is the first question is 1. Third question, what is the minimum number of management trainees who could have changed their base location? Minimum से minimum कितने लोगों ने change किया हो सकता है? अब minimum के लिए हमने क्या discuss किया था? Minimum के लिए we discussed that what we should do, we should send all these people directly to higher locations so that there are minimum shifts. So let's say from 30 to 5, there are 25 people. These 25 people went to New York. So 25 people from here, they went to New York. So only 5 more people are left for New York. These 5 will come from either New Delhi or Colombo or Berlin. So the next in the line is 25 people. These 25 people, the first priority is here. I can send 5 people over here. Then 15 people can be sent to second priority. And then 5 people can be sent to this priority. This is the only option left. So this makes it 125, this makes it 95, and this makes the completed 100. Now I can see that only in 2 cities, only between 2 cities, 25 people from here and 25 people from here, they have filled my requirements, which means the minimum number of people who shifted is 50. कम से कम भी 50 लोगों ने तो पक्का ही शिफ्ट किया है. And these are, you know, ये हमने कितने cities में पूरे कर लिए? सिर्फ 2 cities में पूरे कर लिए. So answer to this question is 50. Right, this is 50. Okay. Fourth, it is given that only management trainees with a PR rating of 1 in the first year were not able to change their base location. Were not able to change their base location. सिर्फ जो जिन लोगों को 1 मिला था वो ही अपनी लोकेशन चेंज नहीं कर पाए थे. रेस्ट एंड दिस नंबर वाज इक्वल टू x, और x लोग ऐसे थे जो अपनी लोकेशन चेंज नहीं कर पाए थे. देन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन बी द वैल्यू ऑफ x? अब मुझे पता है कि जो मिनिमम ट्रांसफर्स आर 50, द मैक्सिमम ट्रांसफर्स आर 150. Now, if I consider this 50 wala case, I can accommodate this 50 people here or here, right? Anywhere. and then I can say that these one or two, these all these people get 260 rating. सारे जो 260 लोग थे जिनको all the 260 people got 1 rating. यानी 1 rating वाले मैक्सिमम लोग कब हो सकते हैं? 260, जब हमारी शिफ्ट्स मिनिमम है, राइट. लेट्स कंसीडर द सेकंड केस when there were 150 shiftings. तो अब मैं कहता हूँ देखो 60 shiftings were for the grade 4 and 5, 80 shiftings were for the grade 3, so this makes 140. Can I say 50? Then 10 shiftings must come from this, which means there were definitely 10 people in this range who got the ranking of 2, right? Who got the ranking of 2. How much does that make? That makes 150, right? So out of 260, there are 10 people who definitely got a 2, which means minimum number of people who could have got this one is 250. That is in the case when there are 150 shiftings. So the number of people who got 1 rating range from 250 to 260. ये 250 से 260 आता है according to the last question. So the only possible value of x that I can see here is 250, which is my required answer. Okay, so this completes my set, a very decent one. Okay, a lot of data to accommodate. Now, and we hope that the next one to write a testimonial for us is you. Right? All the best, guys. Have a great day.